name is Edward Martey. I am an agricultural economist with Savannah Agricultural Research Institute, which is one of the disciplines of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Our mandate focuses on actually providing agricultural technologies that meet the specific needs of farmers in our jurisdiction of operation. Currently, my research focuses on impact evaluation of key technologies as well as economic evaluation of the technologies. Specifically on soybean, my research actually focuses on technical efficiency of soybean farmers as well as the economics of soybean. And in this paper, what I try to do is to look at the profitability of soybean. And in the technical efficiency paper, I also try to find out whether soybean farmers are actually technically efficient or not efficient. Okay, so why would a farmer want to actually grow soybean from profitability perspective? One, usually one thing that a farmer will look out for before cultivating a particular crop is actually look at what the market offers. And comparing soybean, rice, and maize, the market price for soybean is relatively higher than that of maize and rice. And in terms of input management cost, it's also quite low. So farmers are able to produce at a lower cost and also get a higher output price as compared to the other crops. So it makes soybean more profitable. Comparative analysis of soybean and other crops brings out this conclusion that soybean is actually more profitable as compared to the other staples like maize and rice. For example, a farmer who cultivates 1 acre of soybean and 1 acre of maize is able to get more in terms of metric tons than that of the maize. And the market price of soybean is also very high as compared to maize and even rice. Currently, the price of a bag of soybean that is 100 kg goes for 85 Ghana cedis, whilst that of maize goes for 45 Ghana cedis, and that of rice goes for 65 Ghana cedis. So comparing these three prices, you could see that in fact soybean commands a high market price, and any farmer who goes into soybean really makes a lot of money from soybean as compared to cultivating maize and rice. Okay, so cost of production actually plays a key role in the determination of whether a soybean farmer is more profitable or not. Now, when we look at the input side of production, the cost element that goes into cultivation of soybean is relatively lower as compared to the other crops like maize and rice. The reason being that most of maize and rice farmers use a lot of fertilizers, especially in the northern part of Ghana where the soils are depleted and most of the farmers are actually growing even in the subsoil. So for soybean farmers, the introduction of inoculant has really played a key role in terms of reducing the input cost. Now, most soybean farmers have also organized themselves into farmer-based organizations where potential buyers come directly to buy from them, that's from the farm gates. So in that case, that also lowers their transaction cost. Then also, there is a huge market demand for soybean, especially in northern Ghana, to the extent that sometimes farmers are not able to even meet the demand for those buyers. So any farmer who goes into soybean is really profitable farmer.